It's good to get out in the rain, I feel. It makes you a better rider. Boom! Ah, it's nice in here. That's a wheelie. Wait, just spinning. Ooh. Hey, smashed me. Them things are sick.
Where do I go?
I don't know. Rowdy Pody. Alright, keep the noise down. So David, where are we going?
The Bedland Tower.
I like the way you put on a little English accent then. Very good. Hello, Governor. Cool, blimey, Governor. Oh, it does look a bit flat, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you reckon it was that thing we saw it? Yeah, look. Can't even tell. It's well flat. I didn't even realise. Look at that. Didn't even notice.
Yeah, I'm flying to them. Just gonna go home and park it up.
Oh, what? Sucks, man.
I gotta buy new spark plugs. My front one's fucking cut.
Yeah, you might as well just scrap the whole thing.
Fuck off. I'd rather spend fucking $8 and get 2 spark plugs.
Nah, it's not worth it, mate. Just get rid of it. What's he doing? Is he going to try and fist bump me now? You be careful! Going to try and crash again. Alright dude, I'll catch you later. Well, you've been riding with Brett, and this is riding in the rain. How to get the girls wet. Go out when it's raining.